the third chapter, Our Changing Earth. The Earth's crust consists of several large and some small rigid, irregularly shaped plates, which carry continents and the ocean floor. These are called lithospheric plates. These plates move around very slowly, just a few millimeters each year. This is because of the movement of the molten magma inside the earth. This magma moves in a circular manner. The movement of these plates cause changes on the surface of the earth. The earth movements are divided on the basis of forces which cause them. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces, and the forces that work on the surface of the earth are called exogenic forces. First, we will discuss endogenic forces. Endogenic forces sometimes produce sudden movements and at the other time produce slow movement. Sudden movements like earthquake and volcanoes cause mass destruction over the surface of the earth. Volcano. A volcano is a vent in the earth's crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. Similarly, when the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates. These vibrations can travel all around the earth. These vibrations are called earthquake. The place in the crust where the movement starts is called the focus. The place on the surface above the focus is called the epicenter. Greatest damage is usually closest to the epicenter, and strength of the earthquake decreases away from the center. Vibrations travel outwards from the epicenter as waves. Although earthquakes cannot be predicted, the impact can certainly be minimized if we are prepared before that. Some common earthquake predictions methods adopted by people locally include studying animal behavior, like fish in the ponds get agitated and snakes come to the surface. Measurement of earthquake. An earthquake is measured with a machine called seismograph. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. An earthquake of 2.0 or less can be felt only a little. An earthquake over 5.0 can cause damage from things falling. A 6.0 or higher magnitude is considered very strong, and 7.0 is classified as a major earthquake. There are three types of earthquake waves. Number 1, P waves or longitudinal waves. Number 2, S waves or transfer waves. Number 3, L waves or surface waves. Earthquake preparedness. Different types of zones have been made on the basis of more possibilities of earthquake. To protect ourselves from the earthquake, we have to follow some instructions. 1. Safe spots. Under kitchen counter, table or desk, against and inside corner or wall. During earthquake, we have to stay away from fireplaces, areas around chimney, windows that shatter including mirrors and picture frames. So, till now we have studied about endogenic forces of the earth. In next session, we will study about